So welcome to another programming workout round. It is round number 300 something. I don't know, 350 or something like that. I don't know. I don't know. The main thing is that we will type for 5 minutes. So let's go. We will improve and we'll be the best programmer in the world. And we will be able to type fast as well. Somewhere in the future. Fuck. Note, note B. And dun 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 bum. Brush and at 1.0 back. Here we go. Look there if let look I hope my new keyboard will come soon. But then I will be not able to type on that as well. And it will be clear that the... Oh, fuck. Um, Excuse my French, but I don't like my key mouse device at this moment. Because it's pressing the keys which I didn't press. And it is a tiny bit frustrating. I don't know. It's like... Fuck. Work. Yeah, it doesn't work. Turn it off. Turn it on again. Plug it out. Plug it in. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so I heard, and you probably heard, two USB devices connected to. Okay, so left mouse moves, right mouse moves. Okay. Okay, so hopefully it will be good for a little bit. Now, don't look recur rightmost child. The child is right, and you are wrong. Oh fuck. Oh, that is worse and worse, my typing. And that's 1 point. Maybe I shouldn't sleep 4 hours each day. Maybe I should sleep more. Now remove. That 1.0. Look. Let. Bam bam. Oh, bad one. Bam bam. Bad. So come on. No. That must be annoying to listen to, right? Bad luck. Ah, come on. Just crossed my mind that there will be like 4 bots watching me, and I'm talking to myself, but I'm really happy because I think someone is watching me. It serves the purpose, I guess. I don't know. It's like these dating apps. I'm talking there with bots. Oh crap. No. Peak. That's bad. Lately there was like a lot of attractive females. Asian one. And all of them are CEO and very rich. And they want me, you know, so of course they are real persons, right? Ah, come on. Okay, it's getting worse and worse. Oh, whatever, 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 whatever. What is the result? Ah, that's the worst score ever. This is, it's getting worse and worse. Each iteration. Okay, cool, cool, bro. Um, whatever, whatever. Maybe. Well, like if this trend continues, the next iteration I will not be typing. I will be just deleting everything what was written on the screen. The VPN will go to 0 and then it will be negative. Yeah, that's what will happen. Anyway, now we will test my genius. So I'll start the timer, 25 minutes. And my genius approach was to boom, 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 this one. It was this messages service, and I save it. I save it. Now it will reload, right? Or I will reload you. That's it. Bum, 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 bum. This button should disappear and the messages should disappear. It will be here, messages works, and then maybe something or nothing. And then I will know if my original approach works or not. I'm suspicious that I need to remove this this word, the word this from here, and it will be okay. And it's like, why don't you work? Like save, rebuild, do something. Here I have no errors in here. What about this? Kind of looks okay. Oh, it's compiled successfully. Like right now. And it took 14 seconds, almost 15. Not responding. Okay, so maybe it's doing more than that. Does the chat work at all? Maybe it does. Does the chat work? Enter. Compiled successfully. And what the hell? Why it should like? Okay, so I now. Okay, now it disappeared. Why is super slow? Yeah, so Herald service fetch. This works too. If I don't use this keyword and oh. Okay. This doesn't look like doesn't like it. He doesn't like it. Okay, error. Everything is red. Export grounds hello component plans on init. Heroes component is declared here. App hero is not a known element. App dash hero. The class heroes component is listed in the declarations of the ng module, but is not a directive, a component, or a pipe. Either remove it from ng's modular declaration. What is it? Heroes component. It's not a component? Why is it not component? Which one? Heroes component. So, what the hell? It's gonna be... It's Heroes component, and it says it's component. And it displays here. Is this caused by the magic word of this? All these messages? Really? I'll save it. Apps updated, recompiling. Okay, so now it will recompile. Does it recompile? I don't see anything. Okay, so error, property heroes is private and only accessible within heroes component. We did fix that already, right? So I'm confused. So it will be in the heroes component. In here. And oh yeah. What? Hero of heroes. Okay, so I will say get heroes maybe? Or oh my god, I'm tired. That is okay. Can still continue and bash our head against the wall. Because this is a training, remember? Oh, that's not the last build. I'm looking at the old. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god! This is the last one, right? So this is 11, 20, 29. Oh, that's old. 27, 18. So this. Fourteen, 16, 29, 29. This could be. This could be like in the different time zone. This could be in the UTC time. Here is 21, 31 right now, and it says 20, so let's say that it's okay. So I say it works, and I was just looking at all the messages. Yay. Okay, it works. It works. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It works. Okay, but we will change it to the thing they used. So I go forward or I go back. I go back. I go back. Back. Ah, you know what? I'll just copy it again. That will be it. All. Come on. All. And I need a faster computer. Save it. That's it. Okay, and it is message of message service messages. Yeah, sure. So that's what they did, and there will be this button as well will appear, but we can go forward. So this template binds directly to the component message service. Okay, and we don't need to use this keyword, huh? I thought you need, but it did work when I used this keyword too. So it's optional, I suppose. The messages. Oh, the chat probably doesn't work. Never mind. Or at least I cannot see the messages. Well, I can see my message. Or maybe people just don't write it. People or the bots. This template binds directly to the component's message service. The if only displays if message area, if there are messages to show, yeah, because if we don't get the messages length. The message service doesn't have length if it's message service and it is at the beginning it's empty array. That's weird. Okay. So only if I push, then oh wow. Okay, so that's what I want to know. So we will experiment. I will open the developer tools again, the magic developer, and I have a console, and I will define an array. So let array, we will call it my array, and that will be equal to empty array. Yep. All right. Okay. Cool. So, oh, it's undefined. That that is interesting. Okay. So now it's undefined. So, and if I say my array equal, no, dot length, I'll get 0. Yeah, and 0 is falsy method, right? What if I say just my array? So I get empty, yeah, so I get empty array, but this is a 0. Ah, yeah, so, you know, in the JavaScript you have a truthy and falsy things. So, for example, 0 is false, but one and uh, all other numbers are true. So what I'm saying is this. Um, if if my array the length uh, length no, close the condition, we will console log um, but no, true, right? And say else console log false. Uh, like this. Okay, and now when I run it, it says false, right? Because the length is a 0. But if I say my array dot push some value, I get the array. The push returns the length. So now it's 2. And if I run this again, the array length is now 2. So this will say true. Nice. Okay. So basically 0 is false, 1 is true, 2 is true. Everything besides all numbers besides 0 are true. Are true T. True T. True T. I'm tired. Did you saw my typing? You must have seen my typing. I'm tired. That is the excuse I'm using right now for my incompetence. The messages will look better when you blah blah blah. We did over this. Only displays messages if there are messages to show. What is this? Download NuGet? No, not now. Yep. the represents the list of messages repeated div elements. Yep. And Angular event binding binds the button click event to message service clear, that is in here. Click, and on click you call this. So if I clear it, that everything disappears. That's what happens. That's what happens. And this doesn't help, but if I reload it, I'll get it again, right? And the messages will look better. The messages will look better when you add the private CSS styles to the messages component. The CSS as listed in one of the final code review tabs below. Okay, so I can final code review. I will take the CSS, the messages component, HTML, messages component CSS, and I will take that. Oh, here, here, and we will go to messages, CSS. Yep, I'll paste it here, save it. Now reload this guy, and it should be beautiful. I bet you, it's beautiful. It's freaking same. It's the same. Oh, button. Let's same. Button clear. What do we have here? Let me see. So the body input text. The body should be something. H2 should have different color. Red. It should be red. The body should be different. The margin is changed. Oh, so maybe now. Now maybe. Did you recompile already? Is this, yeah, okay, cool. So now it changed. Now it took a while. It took a while, you know. It's all good now. So this is what we did. This is the CSS node. Add additional messages to hero service. The following example shows how to send and display a message each time the user clicks on a hero, showing history of user selection. This will be helpful when you get to the next section on routing. So I'll try without looking at their solution. So we will find when it does click, and that will be in the heroes component, and there was this click, no, on select thingy, and I know that because in the HTML over here, when we click or something, we will call the on select, and on select is in here. We have here the hello sir hero service. Okay, so we have the hero service, but we don't have the messages service, right? So I will add it. I will add it in here, and I will say private, and this how it was called? It was messages something, right? Message service. I think it was message service. Service, and I say message service. Yep. Yep. Okay, cool. So we have it here, and the message service, each time he clicks on it, we will add the message, right? So I will say this message service. Yeah, there was add or something, add, and you'll here selected, And here I will append I will switch the lines and I will say this dot selected hero dot name. Cool. What's the yeah, they want different quotes. Okay, we will have different quotes if you really insist. So I'm gonna save it, and when this reloads and recompile, it will work. And I need a break, and I need a bathroom break, so I will pause the clock. Okay, I'll be right back. Mute the mic. Alright, coming back. And the trash food sponsors of this part are gummy bears and mint chocolate. Buy now. Okay, I'll restart the clock. What was I doing? Oh, I did the messages, right? So it works. Hero selected, Dorix, Anthony, Frederick, John Carmack. Okay, I'm clear. Everything disappears. Well, that works. That's pretty neat. I like it. Mm, how they did it. Shows to send display message each time user clicks a hero, showing history of the user selection. This will be helpful when you get to the next section on routing. And here's the thing. When JStat message add heroes component selected hero ID. Okay, so they did this. I did hero selected. Okay, so for the kicks, I'll just copy what they did. Yeah, I'll copy it. I'll save. It should work. It will give the ID. Just value on the left after it recompiles. Refer to browser and see the list of heroes and scroll the button to the message. So each time you click a hero, a new message appears to record the selection. Use the clear button. Yeah, that's exactly what I was doing for my solution. And here's final code review. Yay! Cool. Next thing. So we were at services, so we will go at in-app navigation. Did it reload? No, it didn't. And this one is red. Why is... Oh, because it has void. Save. And that was... What was it? It was... Add services chapter. Okay, so... I'll see if it works, and then I will do the commit. Now it reloads, so that's good. I really need faster computer. Faster. More powerful. I was thinking about the tower, like the desktop PC, and the gaming notebook. I want to connect to it at least 2 more monitors, you know, like have the notebook and 2 monitors. So it should have two outputs. Should be powerful. I would like to play games at high resolution, and I would like to play games at first. It's not usually the case for me. Okay, so fetch heroes. Selected hero with ID 14, 13, 12, 11. Good. So we will do the commit. It's big commit still, but it's much better one chapter than many chapter. Okay, so this is chapter. What was it? Add services. Add services. Completed. Completed. Here we go. And I'll commit. And maybe I don't want this to do thingy. To check for the to-dos. No errors, 4 warnings found. Would you like to You know what? I can. We are at the end of this round anyway, so I will. So this is something for the style. Warning, font property. Property font family does not have generic default. So that is when you don't find this, so you will have one style, another. Property cursor is overridden. Oh, there's like twice. Okay, that's bullshit. Because this on the line 22 overrides the one on 21. Yeah, those are those both warnings. Oh, okay. I'll allow it. Comment. Comment. There's a to do. Where is it to do? Oh, this thing. Okay. Yeah, I don't care about it. Oh, just comment. And that concludes our another workout session. Hey. Da-da-da-da. So I'll stop this and I stop